Hey everyone, so yesterday I made this little quick rabbit water, and all it is a 5-gallon bucket, a couple of hoses, and these little water nipples. Now I made this so I don't have to have those water bottles. Nobody likes water bottles, right? Water bottles, they tend to just have problems. They break, they get really dirty, they get covered in algae. I'm not saying buckets don't get covered in algae, but if you get a bucket that's darker than white, it's going to take a while for algae to build up in that. Also, this thing is very easy to clean. You just dump it right here. I carry a brush with me on my side-by-side, and I use that specifically for cleaning out waters, chickens and rabbits. Now this is a little grow out pen. Or grow out cage. These guys are 2 months old today, and they're going to be here for about a month. Now in the meantime, I'll list them and I will try to sell them as pets or whatever, breeding rabbits, whatever people want. Right now in this cage we have 6, and that cage we have 1. Now we bred in the summertime and we lost a couple due to heat, so this is 2 different litters. This is 5 was from one litter and 2 was from the other. Like I said, we lost a couple. Anyways, so this watering system is very cheap. You can get these water nipples. I'll put a link in the description on where to get these things, and these things work great. Now, if you're gonna buy water nipples, just make sure you buy metal ones. You don't want to buy any kind of plastic, because rabbits like to chew. They chew on anything. If you were to leave a towel or something up here, just laying on top of this cage, they would find a way to rip that towel through here and chew it all up. I've seen it happen. Okay, so like I said, you're going to need these water nipples or some kind of similar water nipples, a 5-gallon bucket, which most people have. You don't need a lid. It's nice to have one to keep beetles out of there and to keep it a little blocked from the sun. And then you're going to need some kind of hose. Now, this is a hose I got at Tractor Supply. It's a 1/4 inch on the inside. It's a 1/4 inch inside diameter. And this is kind of, you don't need something this thick. This is a very thick hose. This is meant for like brake lines or something. Clear one will do. The only problem with clear ones is they grow algae on the inside a lot faster than the black ones. The black ones will still grow it over time. All you got to do is just put some air in there and blow it out, rinse it out with water. But you're less likely to have to do that more often with a black one versus a clear one. So that's why I bought these ones. Now, all I did was found out what size hole to drill based on the tubing you have. I just drilled it in there. And as you can see, there's no caulking or nothing. I just drilled a hole a little bit smaller than the hose, and the hose is made out of rubber, so it'll conform and kind of create its own seal there. And that's what you want to do. You don't want to have a bunch of caulking in here. That stuff is nasty and it smells nasty, and you don't need your rabbits drinking from that. And then they just kind of sit in there like that. Hard to see, but they're in there. And as this gets empty, you kind of just fill it up. And you can fill it up with a hose or another 5-gallon bucket or something like that. But I just wanted to show you guys a real easy way of dealing with water for rabbits. And this is plenty of water here for them all to kind of come in here. And you can raise or lower this depending on their age. Generally, you want them to be able to just kind of walk up to it and sit down and drink out of it. You can make it to where they can reach for it if you want. That's fine too. It doesn't really matter. But just whatever you think it's more comfortable for your rabbits, and then kind of just go from there. All right, well, hey, if you guys like watching these videos, hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. And if you want to see more chickens and rabbits, hit the subscribe button. We got plenty of chickens, plenty of rabbits. Got a bunch of chickens out there, some chickens over there, chickens up there, goats, rabbits, all kinds of stuff. All right, well, hey, thanks for watching.